welcome back to the channel. We got a bit of an unboxing, actually. Let's see if I can do this, because if I flip the box over, you're going to see all of the labels and everything. We don't want to do that. So this is something from Optics Planet. We got, let's see if we can get this open real quick. There we go. And yes, it is actually Optics time. Hey, check it out. So you're looking at the Sig Sauer TANGO-MSR compact 1.8 by 24 with a 30mm optic. Very interesting. I wanted a small version for my Tavor, and this kept popping up, and then this one came up as a factory demo, but this box looks brand new and totally sealed, which, yay for me, because it came in at the price of a factory demo. So I'm happy with that. Cool. Maybe it was supposed to be a demo and they never actually used it. Let's see. It has the BDC8 reticle. So pretty cool. Even for a little compact. Let's see. It is a second focal plane. I really want to see the size of this thing. Oh yeah, she's tiny. It is definitely smaller. That is what we were looking for. Let's see, can you see that? We'll just leave that up here so you can see that part. Throw all this down there. This doesn't look like a factory demo, or it was just on display and they totally repackaged it. Who knows? There we go. Yeah, that's a shorty. And 1:8. Man, this is actually a lot nicer than all the other ones I've got. So I'll show you full size. Now this guy is a 1:6, and give you an idea. So there's the size difference you're looking at. That's pretty significant difference. 3 fingers. I mean, yeah, that's a pretty good amount of difference in size. This is much nicer. Check this one out. I mean, this thing got the little screw in, which is loose. The TANGO-MSR 1.624, and this is 1.824. Gonna be interesting. So I guess next steps, we'll get this installed. I'll get my I believe who makes the shake weight for these? Primary Arms, I believe, makes a little shake weight you can screw into the battery compartment here. I've got that on some of my other ones. This is the 7.62 by 39, so the AK Sig MCX. This one just kind of hangs out in the vault, in the safe, so I don't have the shake awake on it, but it's a cool build. They were really cheap. They were on sale because I don't think as many people are buying the AK round. But, you know, if things ever go really bad, we get invaded by another country, chances are they're going to have AKs, and they're going to have a lot of that ammunition. So there you go. There's my think behind that. Stop by. We'll get this new Sig TANGO-MSR compact installed, set up on the Tavor. I'll let you know how it goes. Thanks for stopping.